I've been very fortunate. I have a great career. I enjoy it. If I had to, I would work for nothing, just so I could work. I don't want to retire. That word isn't in my vocabulary. But with that thought, I think one always likes to give back because of you've been so fortunate in life. And we got a chance to do this in about 2005, 6, 7, when the Iraq War and the war was going on in Afghanistan. And I thought, in the papers and the news media was saying, support our troops, support our troops. Well, how can I support our troops? I thought, well, maybe you can volunteer to go overseas and help out. But the military was much better trained in trauma than I was. But then I thought, wait a minute. I could show my appreciation by offering to do laser vision correction on any service person who had served in the military in Iraq or Afghanistan or even in our own country during the Iraq and the Afghanistan experience. So we decided that anybody who had done that since 9/11, we would perform laser vision correction at no cost. And we did. We did over 200. And it was a very gratifying experience. With that, again, when that finished, there was still an emptiness that I felt I could do something. And finally, I talked to the head of an organization called the Chicago 100. And the Chicago 100 basically is an organization that supplies needs, both financial and emotional, to the family of fallen police officers and firefighters in Chicago. So they developed this wonderful organization called the Chicago 100, and they do supply financial needs. So I thought, well, what can I do to help? So I decided that any persons that were part of the Chicago 100, in other words, intimate families, spouses, children, if they qualified for laser vision correction, we would do that at no cost. And we do that today. And we have some wonderful stories. We've done some spouses that lost a husband or wife within the last few years, but mostly these are children that are now mature, that are now in their 30s, that have lost a parent, and just doing that and seeing what their result is. Dr. Kraff, you're really going to do this for nothing? I said, yeah. I says, I appreciate what your parents or whoever your person was that do this, and so we do that. And we get a very good feel. These are the happiest patients we ever see.